Open the glove box. Unclip the tab and remove the access panel. Unclip the tabs and push outwards to release the housing door. Lift the housing to free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Align the bottom tabs of the housing cover, then press the top tabs to lock it into place. Reinstall the access panel. Slide the left tab into its catch and push on the clips to lock it into place. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.